Good morning students, this is Priyanka Sharma. Today we are going to start statics of class 11 unit first, which consists two chapters. Okay, today we will see the chapter 1. There are mainly three topics in chapter 1. First one is introduction, second is meaning of economics, and third one is economic and non-economic activities. Okay, so you have to watch our very first video of microeconomics for introduction and meaning of economics. So watch that video for this two topics. Today we are going to start economic and non-economic activities. Okay, so we all human beings are engaged in some activities, right? So mainly this all human activities, we engage in activities to satisfy our needs. So this all human activities are mainly divided into two parts. First is economic activities and another one is non-economic activities, right? So what are economic activities? Economic activities are undertaken to earn money. In the other hand, the non-economic activities are undertaken to earn satisfaction. So economic activities are, the purpose of economic activities are to earn money, okay, or the purpose of non-economic activities are to earn satisfaction, right? So we can see some examples here. Shopkeeper selling goods. Why a shopkeeper selling goods? To earn money. Then worker working in a factory. Workers are working in a factory to earn money, right? Then doctor attending to patients in his clinic. Why doctor attending the patients? For earning money only. So all these activities belongs to earn money, right? Now let's see the example of non-economic activities. A teacher teaches his own child. A teacher teaches. When a teacher teaches his own child, this activity will include in non-economic activity. But when a teacher teaching in a school or in an organization in the purpose to earn money, it will be included in economic activities, right? Then housewife cooking food. Whenever housewife cooks food, what is the intention for cooking food? It is not to earn money, so it will be included in non-economic activities. Yes, right. Now we can say some other examples, that religious example, like praying to God. Whenever we pray to God, we don't its intention is not to earn money. Then some social activities like get together or attending parties, and then some charitable activities are also included in it, which are blood donation, free education to needy students. Okay, when education is giving for the purpose of earning money, it will be included in economic activities, right? Here free education is are given to needy students, which included in non-economic activities. Okay, so these are economic and non-economic activities. Now come to the some important term of economics. Yes, some important terms. First one is consumer. Who is consumer? Consumer is a person who consumes goods. See, in our day-to-day life, we consume so many things. So we all are consumer of that particular thing, right? We consume goods and we demand. We demand for goods. Okay, so what is the purpose of a consumer? To satisfy his needs. The purpose of a consumer is to satisfy need. Okay, then producer. Who is producer? Producer is a person who produces goods and services. Why a producer produce goods and services? To generate income. to generate income. Okay. For the purpose of generating income, a producer produces goods and services. We can take the example of farmer. Just like farmer produces some vegetables or fruits. Why he produces this? For generating income only. Okay. So farmer is a producer and we are consumer of goods and services of farmer. We are consumer of vegetables and fruits. Okay. So the person who consume the things are consumer and the person who produce the things, he is a producer. Okay. And farmer and manufacturer. Right. There are some factors of production. What they are? Land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. So a producer uses this factor of production to produce goods and services, right? Okay. Let's come to the next term, which is service holder. Who is service holder? Holder means a person who holds the services. A person who work for some other person and get paid for it. A person who works for other persons and get paid for it in the form of wages. He can get his pay in the form of wages and services too. Right? A person who work for other persons and get income in the form of wages and services is called a service holder, right? On the other hand, service provider. Who is service provider? A person who provides services. Service provider means a person who provides services, right? Provides some kinds of services to other for a payment. A person who provides some kind of services to other for a payment. To earn money, they provide services, goods or services to other, like lawyer, banker or any doctor. Okay, so this is all about the economic and non-economic activities, and today we also talked about the important term of economics. In our next video, we will see the second chapter, which consists meaning, scope and importance of statics. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a great day. Thank you.